The TinyMCE editor is a powerful HTML editor for crafting your website content. There are a number of great features available to you in how it is configured right out of the box. And for you and most of your users, that may be enough. However, there are also additional features available, such as font formatting, being able to paste as plain text, and more. If you or your users are interested in that, continue watching to learn how to make these changes to make them available to you and your users. You can make these changes for all of your users as well as on a case-by-case basis to individual users. So let's start by reviewing how to do this for an individual user. So the very first thing you want to do is log in to your Evolution CMS Manager. Once logged in, you're going to go to the Users tab at the top of the page, click on Manage Your Users, and then choose your user. You'll then click on the User tab, and you'll scroll down to the section that's headed by TinyMCE and its logo. You can see these are the TinyMCE4 settings. The very first option is going to be the theme. And by default, each user is set to use whatever the global setting is. And we can change that. To give your user all of the features that are available, you'll choose Full. If, however, you want to limit the options, or maybe explore some of the other options that are available, you can choose any of the other theme settings that are here. A theme like Mini or Simple will be a much more limited option, and Full obviously is all of the options that are available. So we're going to choose Full and click Save and Close. Now when the user goes to edit one of their pages, they will see the full HTML editor. Before we look at that, let's now explore how to make this change for all users. So we're going to go in the top right corner to the System Settings button, which is marked by this gear. We're going to click on that and choose Configuration. Next, we'll click on the Interface and Features tab. Here I have it already selected. When you load your system configuration, it may be on the Site tab. So we'll click on Interface and Features, and we'll scroll down again to where it says TinyMCE4 Settings. And this time we're going to choose Theme once again. And instead of it saying Use Global Setting, it's going to be on whatever the default setting is for your site. And we'll again change it to Full. And then we're going to click Save. You'll see a little flash in this instance because it's going to reset your account as well, because this is going to affect all users. We'll then click on a page to edit it. And here you can see we now have the full HTML editor theme activated. And here under the Edit menu is Paste as Plain Text. Here we have additional font options in the second row of buttons. And there are additional buttons which you can explore and learn more how to use. If you're interested in learning more about TinyMCE4 and its various capabilities, we encourage you to visit the product's official documentation site at www.tiny.cloud. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you, and if you have any other questions, you can always visit the support website and explore there, or contact us at the Department of Internet Ministries at internet@goarch.org.